guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. For you guys today. Guys, today I'll be making some chicken back soup. For you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a new video. Guys, I told y'all I was gonna get my hair did. Got it done. Reasonable price. Anyways, also follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Snapchat. Instagram and Snapchat, and also tickety talk. Everything will be in the description down below. Let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy this, and if you're new to all this fluffiness, welcome. Go away. Go away. That's the length on it. Usually, cause like I'm pretty tall, so when they say, usually they do it a little shorter than what I expect because I'm so tall. But this lady did a really good job. Anyways, let's get into this video. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is going to be a quick, simple chicken soup. I got my chicken over here already cleaned up. I got my chicken back, and I got some leftover chicken from whatever. So this is it. Put that aside for now. You're going to need potatoes, you're going to need carrot. I got me some scallion right here. And corn. You can add corn if you want to, but you can leave it out for short. And I got me some pumpkin. I pulled that out of the freezer, so it's kind of frozen. And I got my yam right here. You're definitely going to need your Grace chicken flavored soup mix, okay? This is going to bring everything together, so I'm going to just cut everything up. Then I'm going to add my chicken in my water and my pumpkin as well, okay? Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna rinse my veggies. I got my potatoes, I got my yam, and I got my carrot, and I got my corn over there. I'm gonna rinse this off, clean it up. I'm gonna add the chicken and the pumpkin in the pot. So come back. Alright guys, so in this pot I have some salt, some water, and my pumpkin. So now I'm gonna go in with my chicken parts, my chicken back and all that. Let me get this out. Ooh. Y'all, if y'all like a lot of meat on your in your soup, chicken back is not the way to go. There's mostly bone on this. That's why I got the other parts in here. Alright. I'm gonna add some, hold on, if I can get it. I'm gonna add 1 package of my Saison in here. Alright, so I'm going to cover this up, let the chicken and the pumpkin cook for about 15-20 minutes. And I'm going to start adding in all my other good up stuff. I'm also make some flour. So soon come back. Alright guys, so chicken cook up a little bit. So now I'm going to go in with all my goodness. I got my potatoes, my yam, my carrot, and all that. I'm put it up in here. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna go in with my corn. Hold on, I'm gonna add some seasoning up in this pot real quick. Real quick. Ooh. So I'm gonna go with my Creole seasoning. Why so dark? And I'm going with some Maggi. Alright, let me see. Why does it look so dark? Just a little bit of seasoning for right now. When I come back, I'm gonna show you how to knead the flour and all that. Put it up in here. So I'm gonna let that cook down some more. And then I'm gonna add my cock soup as well later on. So come back. Alright guys, alrighty. So now we're gonna add the chicken mix, the cock soup. Let's pour everything all up in it. Woo. Real Jamaicans, you get some of the juice from this and you put it in the bag, you mix it around and pour it right back out. That's how you do it. Oh man, it smells so good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So my spinners are already made up, like I showed y'all earlier. Just got some white flour, some salt, and water. That's all you need. I'm just add this in here. I'm just being lazy. This is gonna be quick. Gonna put everything in, cover it up, and just let it do its thing. I ain't gonna bother with it. I ain't gonna mess with it. I'm gonna mind my own business. When I come back, it's gonna be fresh and ready to eat. Guys, make sure you guys taste this. Make sure you have enough salt for your liking. Let me taste this right now. Ooh, that shit good. So good, so good. Just add a dab of salt. Just a dab, just a little bit. Alright guys, when I come back in 20 minutes, I'm going to show y'all the finished product. Everything will turn up. And I'll see you guys when the thing done. Alright. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Y'all can tell me this don't look good. I forgot to tell y'all, but I added my scallion at the end. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below, share, all that good stuff. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.